Welcome to today's trading session. So if I look at this chart, I can see that overall we've been moving in an upward trend, but recently we've been pretty flat and we're not really going up or down in recent times. So I'm going to scroll in or zoom in, and so this is sort of looking like a trading range. But if I look at the lows, I can see that the lows are getting somewhat higher. So I'm going to connect the lows down here, and I can see that's a very, very subtle trend upward. And if I look at the highs, I can see that for a while the highs were going up, but then they changed, and now the highs are getting lower and lower. So I will connect the highs. And this looks like a very subtle trend that's going lower and lower. And if we look at this, it looks kind of like a trading range, but the trading range is converging. The lines are coming together. So even though it's not like a traditional two parallel line trading range, I'm going to trade it. I'm going to only buy at either the high or the low of the trading range, buy or sell. So right now we're kind of in the middle of this range, and I don't want to buy or sell in the middle. So let's see what happens. We're going towards the bottom. We've almost reached that bottom line. Okay, this looks like maybe we're turning around and going up, but I don't like this as a signal bar. It's too small and there's too big of wicks. Okay, now this one I like. It's a nice trend bar. So I will use this as a signal bar, and I will buy on this signal. I think that we are turning around and we're going to head back up in this trend channel, or not trend channel, but this trading range channel. Okay, we have a small upward tick, a doji bar. So I see some indecision in the market. We're not sure which way we're going to go. Okay, this is sort of like an inside bar. We have two bars that are very much similar. Okay, this is looking like a smaller trading range that's happening right now. We're just kind of going up and down, staying in the same general place. Okay, same thing, but this time we had a really tall upper wick. And that makes me think that maybe we're trying to go higher. Okay, yes, so we've sort of broken out of that little trading range, and I think we're going to go up from here. Yes, that's an awesome bar, and I will actually take profit on this bar. Now, I still think it's going to continue to go up, but I'm going to take profit there because that is just how I trade, and I am just happy with that amount. But let's extend out this line and see where we think it's going to go. I think it's going to go close to that line if we were to continue to watch it. Yep. We're going up. We're going to have some small retracements. Those are expected. It's not going to just go like in a straight line. And we have a little bit of consolidation and a nice big upward movement, a doji bar. See, if I was to hold on to it, I would, it didn't close when I did, I would close on that doji bar that's towards the very top of that line, because that looks like we might be pausing to think about if we want to come down at that point. So that is how you trade a converging trading range. You basically treat it almost like it was a parallel line trading range. The only thing is that if one of those, like if the upper line or the lower line was more steep, then you would want to pay attention to that, and you would only want to trade like with that trend. You wouldn't want to try to trade against that trend. But that's how you do it, and I hope you have a good day.